What day is it?
Cruise day.
Cruise day, cruise day. Woo, 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 woo. We're off to see the wizard. Or Carnival.
Is that a wizard?
Somebody. We on our way. See you at the port. All right, we're here at the port, and of course, they park us all the way at the back of the parking lot again. It's crazy. We're gonna have to go way, way over there, and there's the big boat. I mean, man, oh man. But they are, you know, shuttles that will take you. But guys and gals, if you're able to, just walk. It's maybe 5-minute walk. Of course, after showing you boarding pass like 20 times, we're about ready to get on the big boat.